The black vapor chrome trim continues, as well as your electronic vehicle information center buttons. You connect Bluetooth. You've also got your cruise control. Better look at the zinc plated paddle shifters. Also iconic with the S is the Chrysler emblem with the black center trim. It does have the premium instrument cluster with a 7-inch reconfigurable display. 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Garmin-based navigation. Also has a reverse park view camera with guidance lines. The vehicle is also equipped with heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. And moving down the center console, the black vapor chrome continues. Redundant controls for audio and climate. You've also got your rotary E-shift knob. To go into sport mode for manual shiftability, you press down and then